Welcome to Safety Products. At Safety Products, safety isn't an afterthought. It's where everything begins. From the very first idea, our journey starts with design, engineered for reliability, durability, and protection in the most demanding environments. But design alone isn't enough. Every product we create undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it not only meets but exceeds global safety standards. Because when it comes to safety, compromise is never an option. One of our flagship innovations is the safety pull device, engineered to deliver uncompromising protection in conveyor safety systems. When installed correctly, safety pull is silt-free capable, meeting Australian and international standards for functional safety. As shown here, when a conveyor inspection is done, the device will not trip due to the special design of the safety pull device. At Safety Products, every device is proudly Australian made, designed, built and packaged here in Perth, Western Australia. From here, our reach extends worldwide. We are a trusted global supplier of emergency stop systems and protective stop controls. Our products are engineered to last, with quality construction and robust design at their core. From electro-polishing of stainless steel to in-house engraving and precision finishing, every detail reflects our commitment to reliability and safety. As your global partner, we bring expertise and reliable safety solutions to every workplace worldwide. From our headquarters in Perth, Western Australia, we service clients across the globe, from Indonesia, South America, to Asia, Europe and Africa, to name a few. Explore our complete range of industrial protection devices, from emergency stops to misalignment detection, each one designed to protect people and operations. At the forefront is our safety pull device, trusted across industries for its reliability and precision. When correctly installed, safety pull is capable of operating as part of a silt-free system, delivering the highest standard of functional safety. Safety Products has three types of enclosures: plastic, stainless steel, aluminium. Next in our range is the Safety Tilt Protective Stop Control, activating instantly when excessive tilt is detected in harsh industrial environments. Built for resilience and certified compliance, it offers flexible outputs and field-proven reliability. Unlike conventional devices, Safety Tilt uses dual IP67 rated direct opening contacts with a mechanically linked function, ensuring dependable shutdown. Triggering at 20 to 30 degrees, it provides timely protection well before full tilt occurs, safeguarding both people and operations. Introducing PullSafe Emergency Stop Pull Cord Device, engineered for safety and reliable performance in the toughest environments. Housed in a UV-stable, flame-retardant enclosure, it features three positive drive mechanisms and IEC-compliant safety microswitches. Activation occurs if the cord is pulled, over-tensioned, removed or manually tripped, with reset only possible under correct tension, ensuring dependable protection every time. Safety Products emergency stop devices are built for the toughest environments, from food and transport to mining. Each button is housed in a protective shroud and IP66-69K rated enclosure, with options in UV stable plastic, powder coated aluminium or electro-polished stainless steel. Safety Products push-button stations feature compliant labelling, ensuring location and function are clearly marked. Machine-specific shutdowns are identified to prevent confusion in multi-machine areas, supporting rapid response in emergencies. With durable labels showing machine name and function, operators can act quickly, safely and with confidence. Built to withstand washdowns and harsh conditions, Our design maintains IP66-69K protection with a one-piece lid seal, solid protective lip, and an O-ring grooved conduit plugs for maximum seal integrity. For space-limited installations, our mini emergency stop enclosure delivers the same high level of safety in a compact, efficient design, with advanced sealing systems and fail-safe contact blocks to ensure reliable protection. And even for greater flexibility, a 30mm emergency stop device combines robust construction and enhanced sealing, dust-boot protection, and a choice of trusted push-button brands including Eaton, Schneider and Telemecanique. With Safety Products emergency stops, you can depend on durability, compliance and uncompromising safety in any environment. Safety Rip Heavy Duty Belt Rip Detector delivers reliable protection for conveyor systems, ensuring fast and accurate detection of belt rips in critical applications. Its simple socket attachment trip design provides quick response, with adjustable trip tensions and easy rip wire adjustment. Available in UV stable, high impact resistant PC PBT plastic and 2mm 316 stainless steel, both ideal for harsh industrial conditions. The Safety Drift Heavy Duty Belt Misalignment device provides reliable monitoring and control for high speed industrial conveyors. With dual operational capability, adjustable switching points and IEC compliant safety microswitches, it ensures durability and precise misalignment detection to protect people, equipment and operations. With our range of roller arms, we provide solutions tailored to your operating conditions. As shown in our simulation, uneven cold distribution causes lateral belt drift on a conveyor. With correct installation, the safety drift first triggers an alarm to detect deviation, and if the drift continues, then fully activates, ensuring safe and controlled operation. The Safety Products push-button station is engineered for industrial, food and mining applications, delivering robust and reliable control in the harshest of environments. With enclosure options in UV stable PC PBT plastic, powder-coated aluminium or electropolished stainless steel, it's built to withstand extreme conditions. Customisable with up to 3 22mm auxiliary controls, including buttons, selector switches, lights or potentiometers, the PBS maintains an IP66-69K rating for superior dust and water protection. Durable, versatile and highly configurable, the push-button station ensures long-lasting performance and peace of mind in every operation. The mini push-button station delivers the same durability and reliability in compact design for space-constrained installations. Also available in plastic, aluminium and stainless steel. The Safety Replace is a multi-device replacement solution designed for fast, secure integration into existing systems, allowing for seamless integration with the safety pool, reducing the need to drill new holes. Safety Products metric to national pipe thread adapters provide a reliable connection between international and local standards, precision engineered for strength, durability and leak-free performance. They ensure seamless integration, reduce downtime and deliver long-term reliability across demanding industrial applications. The Safety Stop, Pause, Start is a pull cord operated control device, delivering instant fail-safe response if the cord is pulled via the pull ball or cord, allowing for machine stop, pause or start. IEC compliant and IP66-69K rated, it's built tough for industrial environments, ensuring safety, flexibility and reliable performance every time. Installation is quick and simple, with all cord and device adjustments performed externally. It also supports multiple operator control points, making it ideal for conveyors, overheight machines and other complex industrial systems where stop, pause or start functions are critical. Built in UV stable, high impact, flame retardant enclosure and rated to IP66-69K, it is designed to withstand harsh environments while maintaining long-term reliability. The safety guide is a precision-engineered component designed to reduce pull cord wear and friction failure in emergency stop systems. Made from UV-stabilised polypropylene with added carbon black and slip agents, it delivers superior abrasion resistance and smooth cord movement. Unlike traditional pigtails and eye bolts, the safety guide provides a self-aligning, low-friction surface, ensuring long-term reliability and safety in demanding environments. Introducing the Safety Alarm, an advanced pre-start warning system for conveyor operations, protecting personnel and enhancing safety. It delivers a visual and audible warning with a bright LED light and a powerful 100 decibel audible alert, ensuring workers are clear before conveyors start. Built tough with a UV-stable, impact-resistant enclosure, IP65 protection, it's ideal for mining, food and industrial environments. Each unit can include a custom laser-engraved ID tag for easy tracking. Safety Alarm, reliable, visible and audible protection for safer operations. The safety sign is a highly reflective emergency stop location indicator for conveyor pull cords and push button stations. Made with premium 3M reflective material and backed by a 10-year guarantee, it ensures maximum visibility in all conditions. Mounted on stainless steel or polypropylene brackets, the angle design complies with Australian standards, keeping signs visible at required intervals for maximum safety. The safety lanyard is a durable, compliant emergency stop pull cord engineered for reliable performance in harsh environments. Available in Vectran or stainless steel construction, both feature a UV-stable red polyurethane coating for long-lasting visibility and strength. When installed correctly, the safety lanyard ensures full compliance with Australian and international safety standards, delivering dependable protection every time. At Safety Products, our mission is simple: to protect people and keep operations running safely. From innovative design and rigorous testing to trusted products used worldwide, we deliver safety without compromise. Safety Products, proudly Australian-made, globally trusted and committed to keeping your workplace safe.